This video provides an overview of the University of Maryland Terp Family eConnection. The Terp Family eConnection is a portal for families and supporters of UMD undergraduate students, and is a great way to stay up to date on university events and deadlines, valuable resources, and connect with the University of Maryland community. To start using the Terp Family eConnection, access the link you received in the eConnection welcome email or visit terpfamily.campusesp.com and select Sign Up to create your account. On the Sign Up page, enter your first and last name, your email address, and create a password. Once completed, select Create Account. Next, you will be prompted to complete an onboarding form. This form helps personalize your portal experience to your specific needs. Be sure to include your student's name and UID so your profile is properly connected. Complete the survey to begin using the portal. When you log into the portal, you will be brought to your homepage, where you can view your newsfeed, communities, calendar, and other sections of the portal. The newspaper icon at the top of the page will always bring you back to this homepage. The bell icon will display your notifications, where you can quickly view university announcements and upcoming events. These announcements are also sent directly to your email inbox. Selecting the person icon will produce a drop-down menu to access your account settings. From here, you can edit your profile, notification preferences, view favorited posts, and log out. Let's select Edit My Profile. On this page, you can edit your information, as well as add additional students who are attending UMD. Along the left side of the screen, you'll find an I'd like to menu with options related to your profile. Via this menu, you can change your password, edit your notification settings, and view orders, events you've RSVP'd for, and favorite posts. Under Notifications, you can choose the frequency in which you receive newsletters, selecting either weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, quarterly, or never. You can also edit the settings for other communications from the portal. Under Edit My Contact Info, you can update information about your student and yourself. In the Additional Information section, you can indicate your interest in volunteering, mentorship, or philanthropic giving. The Discover Communities tab will show you the many communities we have available. We encourage you to join any communities relevant to you, your student, or your interests. There is no limit to the communities you can join. These selections will determine the content included in your newsfeed and in newsletters. Now let's go back to the home page by selecting the newspaper icon at the top of the page. Your newsfeed shows you all the information you need in one place, such as campus news, upcoming events and deadlines, and resources and opportunities for students and families. Select the star on a post to favorite it, so you can quickly revisit it at a later time. You can also select one of the social media or email icons to share the post with your student through that selected method. The Current Families Communities section displays the communities you're currently subscribed to and allows you to sort your feed by community to show the related news and events. For example, let's select the Career Support community. Here you will see the top left corner has been updated with information about the University Career Center, and your newsfeed was updated to only include content relevant to career and job readiness. You can always navigate back to the home page by selecting the newspaper icon at the top of the screen. The Calendar section displays university events, important dates and deadlines. Select an event to view more details, RSVP, or add dates to your calendar. Select Calendar of Events to display the full calendar, where you can view all upcoming dates and details. Download the iCal link to add these dates to your personal calendar. The Resources section provides links for quick access to the Terp Family website, the Parent and Family Handbook, the Terp Family YouTube channel, Family Weekend, a list of FAQs, and ways to give options. You'll find our office contact information located in the Support section. Thank you for watching. If you need any assistance or have any questions regarding the Terp Family eConnection portal, please contact the Office of Family Engagement for support.